In this video, we're going to discuss how to fill out the DA Form 2404 Equipment Inspection and Maintenance Worksheet, the 5988E, the electronic version, using our vehicle and appropriate TM. In Field 1, you will fill out your organization's unit number. In this example, Charlie Company 700. In Field 2, you will fill out the nomenclature and model of the vehicle, which can be found on the Vehicle Identification tag. In Block 3, you fill out the registration and serial number, which also can be found on the Vehicle Identification tab. In Block 4, you put in the miles, which can be found on the odometer. Some vehicles have transmission hours, which you fill in B. When doing weapons, you fill out rounds fired. In Block 5, you enter the date of the inspection, and in Block 6, the type of inspection. The type of inspections are determined by the appropriate TM, in this case, the -10, a before, during, after, weekly, and monthly. In this case, we're doing a weekly inspection. In Block 7, you add in the appropriate TMs. When entering the TM date, make sure to use the most current updated version. In this case, January 1996, located in the bottom right-hand corner. When using the 5988, all the fields have already been pre-filled out to include your weekly inspection, your current mileage, the equipment number, and your serial number, including appropriate TMs. In Section 8, this is where you enter the deficiencies and shortcomings. It is very important on both the 2404 and the 5988, when following your appropriate preventive maintenance checks and services, that you pay attention to the item number you are on. If you find a deficiency, you enter that item number here. This allows the maintenance personnel to know exactly where you are inspecting when you find your shortcoming. Also, you should fill out the status. This will either be a slash, an X, or an S. The slash is just a fault. It does not stop the vehicle from moving. An X is a deadline fault. S, usually reserved for maintenance personnel, is a safety deadline. This is a fault when the safety of the personnel or equipment is in danger. Also on the 5988, status has been replaced with text status, and you put in the fault date that you find it. You enter the fault description under fault description. When maintenance personnel, or you as the end user, correct the action, you either enter the NSN of the part used, or what you did to correct it, and an initial off on when you have done it. Follow this example. Item number 1, oil cooler has a Class 1 leak. We were able to tighten the clamp and resolve the leak, signed off by the soldier. Item number 2, or also item 1, we found a broken oil cooler line. We had the supervisor sign off on the inspection and referred it to maintenance, and maintenance signed it off and submitted it for a work order. If you manage to complete your PMCS and find no faults, simply enter the date and nothing else. With the 5988, it is an electronic record. Therefore, any faults that you found previously will be recorded here. Thank you for your time, and have a great day.